On Vivek Lohia, the MD of Jupiter Wagons, is just now joining us to give us more details and talk us about the recently done fundraise of around 800 odd rupees crore via QIP. So, sir, firstly, if you could tell us this 800 crore which you have raised via QIP, you will be using it to establish a new plant. Can you give us more details on this? What is the kind of revenue potential that you're seeing as and when this plant comes online? And if you could share with us the timeline of by when this plant exactly will be operational.
Yeah, good afternoon. So as you're aware that recently we acquired the wheel business of Monatrans in India, and that is now operational with Jupiter. So, and India is today a net importer of wheel sets when it comes to the railway business. So the whole idea is to build up a capacity for about to manufacture about 100,000 wheel sets, and the whole QIP was raised to fund this. So the project will be funded through definitely through the QIP money as well as internal accruals. I think the whole project size for us will be about close to 1,200 crores, and we are looking at a period of roughly about 2 years to go online. It is not that the business will not be generating revenue. Incrementally, you will see revenues being generated as it's a running business. And once we are, I think it's fully operational, we are looking at a revenue of upward of about 4,000 odd crores from this business, and about sizable portion of it will be also exports, because this wheel capacity will be catering to the European market.
What could be the export opportunity here, sir?
So the export opportunity could be as high as 2,000 odd crores. So we are looking to export close to about 50,000 wheel sets. And roughly a wheel set today, what is sold in Europe is anything between 4 to 5 lakhs is the cost of a wheel set. So it could be as high as about it could be a 2,000 crore opportunity for us. And the good thing is that most of the exports will be to Tatra Vagonka, who are the biggest producers of freight cars in Europe. They produce close to about 10,000 freight cars there annually, and Tatra Vagonka is investor in Jupiter. They hold about close to 20% equity in Jupiter, and they are also part of a promoter group. So a lot of the capacity exports which will happen to Europe will be in a way captive exports to us. So the market in those terms, that the market opportunity there is pretty much it's not that the company has to make efforts to go and sell in that market. It's pretty much locked for us.
You know, Vivek, also what I want to know is in terms of your business coming in from brake system business, what is the order book like over there? What are the inquiries that are coming in there and the growth that one you are expecting to see in this segment?
So again, this is a big opportunity for us, because as you're aware that railway is the rolling stock program. There is a lot of traction there. Railway this year itself is talking about manufacturing close to 10,000 passenger coaches, and the freight capacity also in terms of the freight requirements is also beyond 40,000 wagons. So overall, you're talking about 50,000 rolling stocks. And our braking business, we have now approvals for all the products, be it the freight brake system, the passenger brake system. So we are targeting the whole market. In terms of order book, today our order book stands at about 300 odd crores, which we are looking to execute in this financial year. But as per our plans going forward, I think in the next 2 to 3 years, we expect this order book to be close to about 1,000 odd crores. So this is again a big opportunity for us, and this is a market which we are very, very positive on.
Vivek, you're saying 1,000 odd crores will be coming in from the brake system side order book, right? In the next couple of years is what we're watching out for. When I'm looking at it in terms of your order book for Q4 FY24, that was at around 7,100 crore, the overall order book. So where will that also be in the next couple of years, FY26? What is it that we are looking at?
As we keep on adding new and new business verticals, see, if you look at the 7,000 odd crore order book, majority of it is from the freight business, the wagon business, which we are currently doing. About close to 80% of that order book is focused on wagons. But as our big business keeps on expanding and our wheel business keeps on expanding, that will add a sizable chunk to this order book. And in terms of wagon capacity, as I've told very clearly, that last year we did close to about 800 wagons. And by end of this year, we are looking to expand that capacity to about 1,000 wagons a month. So there itself, you will see incremental about 10 to 15% incremental jump in terms of the capacity and the order book. And in top of that, all these new business verticals, which from this year onwards, we are starting to execute. You will see the incremental order books and revenues flowing out of these.
Lastly, sir, before we let you go, given the fact that you have a strong order book lined up, what is the kind of revenue and EBITDA margin guidance that you could share for FY25-26?
Typically we don't forward revenues. Again, is something which we are not, we typically don't give much guidance on that. But definitely, you compared to last year, you will see an expansion in our revenue base and EBITDA margins also, because one is that definitely the kind of in the freight business itself, the kind of order book which we are executing right now, it is because we are doing more specialized wagons, so there itself our margins are better compared to last year. And top of that, margins from the wheel and the braking business will get added. So definitely you will see a considerable improvement in terms of EBITDA margins over last year. It'll be quite a visible improvement quarter on quarter. And revenue numbers also, I think maybe this quarter it could be a little subdued, given the fact that it was a election quarter. So, but going forward, quarter on quarter, you will see a substantial jump in revenues.
Okay, Mr. Loya, thank you so much, for joining in with us this afternoon on ET Now, giving us an understanding in terms of the QIP funds, where is that using, as well as, the outlook of the company going forward as well. That was Jupiter Wagons management for you all. Surely expecting a good growth going forward in terms of their revenues as well as order book expected to be strong. As of now, last 1 year, you've seen Jupiter Wagons jump up as much as 273%. So from 177, it's moved on to 660. Surely interesting to watch out for them.